right, how is everybody doing out there in YouTube land? We are back today. I'm going to make a agent today using Air, and I think I'm going to make an insurance agent as an example case because I do want to, start showing, insurance agents how this can help them save time, and I just don't have any scripts. So I went to Chat GPT. As you see, I asked it, I said, I need help creating a call script for independent insurance agents to give me three possible phone scenarios. And it gave me three scenarios: a cold call introduction, um, and a follow-up call, and service call to an existing client. So when it comes to cold calling and dialing out, the FCC released a law a few weeks ago, beginning of February, addressing AI agents dialing out because there's been a lot of robocalls, plaguing the nation. So I think the best scenario to make is with existing clients because most existing clients, they've already given consent to the insurance agent that they can contact them by any means possible, whether it's text message, email, or phone calls. So let's pick up one of these phone scenarios where it's already that they already have consent to contact their customers. So this is a follow-up call. It says in the conversation last week, how are you doing today? This wonderful mission proposal. Okay, let's do this right here where the agent is following up on a proposal for coverage and basically just trying to see if they're ready to close on it. Okay, so let's go back to Air and create our agent. Hit new agent, and this one is going to be insurance. Yeah, let's do this one. Okay, and I want to say this is a sales thing, probably sales standard. Okay, and let's do magic. Okay. Let's give Air our current script. So we just had that from Chat GPT. And let's go to the next. All right. Okay, well, appreciate your answers. First, we'll go through coverage details there. Sometimes on if you think going more full. Does that sound good to you? Yeah. I'm not sure how far it'll take the conversation because honestly, I don't really know much about insurance and coverage and things of that nature. What we talk about. This is why, if you're an insurance agent and you're looking at this, I am looking to help three insurance agents for the next 6 months, absolutely free on my part. Only thing I'm asking is that you pay for the software and your usage. It shouldn't cost too much, but saving thousands of dollars to integrate AI into your business. But basically, this would help me help other insurance agents if I can, create these scripts a little bit more customized. Let's do generate script just in case. We chat last week about your, let's say, auto, right? Oh, it's not letting me edit this. That's good. Let's go to the next step. Let's do that. Oh, really? Okay. Let's see how much this we have to get rid of. Okay, let's paste this in. Whoa. Okay, where did my paste end? All right, let's go back. So from so how you spell all state? Should be it. So we're gonna do that. Got your auto. Let's see, let's take out this right here because I don't know what they're gonna say. Let's see, how about we go through coverage years together. So I'm not tweaking a few things and then more for over it now. And then let's go and delete this. Okay. And let's go ahead and delete this. Okay, go all the way down. Okay. And delete that. Okay, so let's go back over to ChatGPT and give it some reference. Okay. So right now, let's ask it what are some topics about auto insurance policies that are important to go over with a prospect for insurance for insurance coverage. Like that. Okay. Special policies, crucial types, limits, deductibles, discounts, premium costs. Okay. Still claim process. Policy terms and conditions. State specific requirements. Needs. Cool. All right. Can you put these topics in a form of a telephone interview script? Here's how we do it. Good morning. Good, how are you? Thanks for asking. Go with the basics. So coverage need, so right policy names. So discuss policy limits. I'll talk about the factor for the premium cost. Wow, keeps going. Okay. This script serves a comprehensive guide to ensure agent covers all the critical aspects of all the insurance or engagement across the meeting conversation. Okay, let's get some of these questions out of here. Okay. Asking. Great. Let's start with the basics. We cover various coverage types and likely collision comprehensive more infinity. Like a brief overview. Okay. Let's put this in here. Okay. All right. All right. You feel what your current possible. Okay, here's another one. Okay. Another crucial aspect of the deductible. Consider how the deductible amount of property. And honestly, when it comes to all this stuff, I really don't know much about how to talk about it. So when I do talk to an insurance agent, hopefully they can help me build these scripts a lot better. But right now, because we're just now beginning, let's go ahead and just create something like a demo to show these agents that, what's possible. It's not the best. The only thing I can do is just be upfront and just tell them, hey, look, this is a generic, agent. It's not really specific. It's not really trained yet. And hopefully they understand. Hold on, my wife is calling. Hey, baby. I'm live. I'm live right now. What's going on? Okay, baby. I love you. Love you too. Oh, I got you some. Oh, well, thanks. I made some spaghetti. That sauce you had in the refrigerator, I just used some of that with some spaghetti. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, thanks. Oh, you did, huh? A small one, just to share. Okay, okay. I ate a salad while I was there. Yeah, I'm stuffed now. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to work, okay? Okay. Okay. I would go into this, but I don't have a knowledge base connected to it, so I don't want to do that. Lastly, it's critical attention. Oops. Guess what happens? I'm live right now.
Oh, sorry.
What happens after all this information is covered? No problem. Good night, buddy. All this information, all instruments. Still we taking to move forward the process. Summarize, just concern, follow up, process. One support and review. And then we'll say, okay, convert this information into a conversation format. Please keep the conversation under 30 seconds. But if possible, if possible, let's do that. Okay. Just give me the script of the agent, not the prospect, and make into one summarized dialogue. Boom, boom, boom. There it is right there. All right. With a little ingenuity, we have created an insurance follow-up script. Thank you for the time. Summarize our conversation. Continue detailed proposal in 24 hours. Include a policy cover and manage. Have a great day. And then hit it with the in-call script. Well, I'm just gonna save this. British accent. Let's see how it sounds.
Okay, solid. I guess for now, I'd like to kind of get to know your business a little bit better here, and of course.
All right, cool. Sounds good. Well, we'll kind of dive into it. I'm glad we were able to chat today. I know you had
Okay, solid. I guess for now, I'd like to kind of get to know your business a little bit better.
All right, cool. Sounds good. Well, we'll kind of dive into it. All right, cool.
Claro, permíteme hacerte esta pregunta antes de
Okay, solid. I guess for now, I'd like to kind of get to know your business a little.
Let's do American Standard. Let's do American Standard. All right. Save this. Okay, so it's ready to talk. Make sure I got everything good. I'm gonna copy this really quick. And I'm gonna put, all right. Hold up. Boom. Okay, that should do it. I hope you see how long this is. I hope it's able to process this fast. Let's find out, okay? And here we go. It's Copeland. Hold on, I got my Bluetooth connected. Let's do that again. Hello?
Hey, Kenneth Copeland.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Alita from Allstate, your insurance company. We had a chat last week about our auto insurance coverage. How's your day going so far?
It's okay. Just got in from working all day and fed the kids. How's your day?
Oh, I totally get it. Long days can be exhausting. My day's been pretty good, thanks for asking. Just here chatting with people about insurance. So last time we spoke, you were considering our proposal for the auto coverage. I'm just checking in to see if you've had a chance to review it, and if there's anything you're unsure about or any questions you might have.
No, not really. I've been shopping around with some other carriers, and I kind of like your price.
That's great to hear. We definitely strive to offer competitive prices without compromising on coverage. How about we go through the coverage details together? Sometimes tweaking a few things can make it more affordable without compromising the quality of coverage. Are you free to go over it now?
Yeah, I got a few minutes. What's going on?
Awesome. Let's dive into it. We offer various coverage types, including liability, collision, comprehensive, and more. Are you familiar with these, or would you like a brief overview?
No, I'm not too familiar with it. If you can give me a brief overview, that'd be great.
Sure thing. I'll give you a quick rundown. Liability coverage helps protect you financially if you're responsible for causing injuries or property damage to others in an accident. It includes bodily injury liability, which covers medical expenses and lost wages for the injured party, and property damage liability, which covers repairs or replacement of damaged property. Collision coverage, on the other hand, helps pay for repairs to your own vehicle if it's damaged in a collision with another vehicle or object, regardless of who's at fault. Comprehensive coverage provides protection for damage to your vehicle caused by things like theft, vandalism, fire, or natural disasters. These are just a few of the coverage types we offer. Based on your needs, we can customize a policy that suits you best. How does that sound so far?
Yeah, that sounds good. Let me get some comprehensive coverage. That sounds more important, like for what I need.
Absolutely. Comprehensive coverage is definitely a smart choice. It provides that extra layer of protection for your vehicle. Now let's talk about setting the right policy limits. These limits determine the maximum amount your insurance will pay out. How do you feel about your current policy limits, and are you looking for more protection or perhaps a more cost-effective solution?
Yeah, on the policy, I think I'm covered by $10,000. I was wondering if you could change that to 20,000.
Got it, Kenneth. increasing your coverage limit to $20,000 is definitely doable. It's important to have adequate coverage to protect your vehicle. Now let's talk about the deductible. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Have you considered how the deductible amount affects your premium and your willingness to pay in case of a claim?
Yeah, I have. I saw the deductibles. It's $500. That's not a bad deductible. I can deal with that.
Absolutely. A $500 deductible is a common choice and can help keep your premium affordable while still providing coverage in case of a claim. Now let's talk about discounts. There are several discounts available that could significantly lower your premium. These include safe driver discounts, multi-policy discounts, and even discounts for anti-theft devices. Can I go through these discounts with you to see if you qualify for any?
Yeah, I got time. Go ahead.
Awesome. Let's see if you qualify for any of these discounts. First, we have a safe driver discount. Have you had any accidents or moving violations in the past few years?
No, I haven't.
That's great to hear, Kenneth. Being a safe driver can definitely help you qualify for a safe driver discount. Another discount we offer is a multi-policy discount. Do you have any other insurance policies with us, like home or renter's insurance?
Yeah, I got my home insurance policy.
Fantastic. Having multiple policies with us makes you eligible for a multi-policy discount. That's a great way to save on your premiums. Lastly, we also offer discounts for anti-theft devices installed in your vehicle. Do you have any anti-theft devices like an alarm system or a tracking device installed in your car?
Not exactly. I do have a dash cam, but does that count?
Absolutely. Having a dash cam can be considered an anti-theft device as it can help deter theft and provide evidence in case of an incident. That's great to hear, Kenneth. Based on the information you've provided, it looks like you qualify for the safe driver discount, multi-policy discount, and the anti-theft device discount. These discounts can significantly lower your premium. Now let's talk about the factors affecting premium costs. These include your driving history, the type of car you drive, and even your credit score. Can you tell me a bit about your current situation in these areas?
Can you repeat that? My what again?
Sure, no problem. I was just mentioning that factors such as your driving history, the type of car you drive, and even your credit score can affect your premium costs. So I was wondering if you could share a bit about your current situation in these areas.
Well, as far as my driving history, I've been driving since I was a teenager, so I got about 15 years driving history, and the car I drive is a Ford F-150, and basically no accidents in a long time. I'm not sure if that helps.
That's great to hear, Kenneth. Having a long driving history without any recent accidents definitely works in your favor. And driving a Ford F-150 is a popular choice known for its durability and safety features. These factors can help lower your premium. As for your credit score, do you have an idea of where it stands? It's okay if you're not sure, we can still proceed.
Yeah, I haven't checked my credit score in a while, but I know I'm definitely in like the upper 600s, like 680 or something like that.
Got it, Kenneth. Having a credit score in the upper 600s is generally considered good, and it can positively impact your premium. Now, it's also important to be aware of any exclusions or limitations in your policy to avoid surprises. Are there any specific concerns or scenarios you'd like to discuss regarding what might not be covered?
Yeah, that's a good one. I really want like towing. Like if my vehicle breaks down, do I get like towing included?
Absolutely, towing coverage is definitely an important consideration. I'm glad you brought that up. With our auto insurance policies, we do offer optional towing and roadside assistance coverage. This can provide you with peace of mind knowing that if your vehicle breaks down, you'll have assistance available. It's definitely worth considering adding this coverage to your policy. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss regarding coverage or any other concerns you have?
No, that's pretty much it.
I apologize, but I didn't quite catch that.
Oh, you're fine.
Please clarify. All right, Kenneth Copeland.
Yeah, I was saying
Thank you for
nothing.
understanding me, Kenneth Copeland.
Yeah, I got you. I was saying nothing really.
No worries, Kenneth. Got it. No problem at all, Kenneth Copeland. Based on our conversation, I'll put together a personalized insurance proposal for you. Thank you for taking the time to discuss your auto insurance options with me today. I'll summarize our conversation and send you a detailed proposal within 24 hours. It will include the recommended policy, coverage limits, deductibles, and any discounts you're eligible for. After you review it, we can schedule a follow-up call to address any questions or concerns. If you decide to proceed, I'll guide you through the application process, and once approved, send over your policy documents and explain how to access your policy online. Remember, you can always reach out for questions or changes to your policy. We'll also do periodic reviews to ensure your coverage meets your needs. Let's touch base next Tuesday to discuss any questions you might have after reviewing the proposal. I'm here to help make this process as smooth and understandable as possible. Have a great day.
All right, man. Thank you so much. You too. Wow, that was actually pretty cool. That was pretty cool. And as you see, didn't take much to get this done. And we're already ready to go. So this is a mock-up for an insurance client. So if you do have insurance clients that you need to follow up with and you're running your agency, you want to save yourself some time, give me a phone call 7 days a week, 404-905-1741. I greatly appreciate everyone watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next.